Hello guys, I'm going to be introduced to error 03. Thank you for following us. So you need to understand this some error code. Error 03, this is a 5 kVA 48 volts 48 kilowatt lithium battery, and this 5 kVA hybrid transformer-less inverter. So I'm going to be running it so you see for yourself. So in case it happened on your site, so you know what to do and how to troubleshoot it. Okay, this is it. I'm going to on it. So it's coming up. You can see. Immediately you see this warning sign, maybe it goes up. Just know that anytime you see warning sign, you just know that there's a problem. Then secondly, in this particular inverter, when it's trying to switch, that is to produce an output, it will show warning sign error 03. A fault code will come out error 03. Note, whenever error 03 comes out, just know that there's a problem with that particular inverter. You can't resolve it, especially when it's under warranty. Please mark this C. Don't tamper with their C. Don't allow this C to be broken. Immediately it's broken, it means that your warranty is void. So just know that please come closer. Just look at my interface of the inverter. You can see this is it. You will see this sign, this warning sign, error 03. You can see, and you can see this sign on top, show that there's a problem. After some time, it will turn off. Okay, after some time, it will turn off. You can see. Now, just know that most of the time, what can cause this particular fault, just know that your lightning protection was not active, in the sense that the earth cable, you use your surge, but it was not properly earthed. Maybe you just put your earth cable, but the BD was not earthed. When there's a thunder strike, it will just penetrate straight and go to your inverter and damage your inverter and maybe other components in the building. So please try to avoid this error code by doing proper earthing system on your inverter installation. Use surge. If you are using surge, please try to use proper earth cable. So thank you, and make sure that your earthing system is effective. So thank you. Share our video so that other installers will also follow on this error code error 03. It's a very technical issue whereby you need to take to service center. That is for repair. You can't do it yourself. Thank you guys. Ciao.